Ever accidentally merged breaking changes just by running git pull? Here's what you should know. Git fetch downloads the latest commits, branches, and tags from your remote and stores them in your local remote tracking refs. Things like origin/main. Think of it as a safe sync. Your working directory stays completely untouched and your current branch doesn't move. Git pull is the eager version. It fetches remote changes and immediately merges them into your current branch. If you're on main and run git pull, you grab the latest commits from origin and they merge right in. Your files update immediately and any conflicts surface on the spot. No preview, no pause. Here's what makes this click. Git pull is literally git fetch followed by git merge. That's the whole definition. You could replace every git pull with those two separate commands and get identical results. Once you see it as two steps, you know exactly what to expect from each. Prefer fetch when you want to review incoming changes before integrating. Inspect the diff, then merge when you're ready. And for a linear history, add the -- rebase flag to git pull. It replays your commits on top of the remote instead of a merge commit. Fetch downloads safely. Pull fetches and merges. Know when each applies. Follow for more Git essentials. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.